Hi, friends. I'm Lily, and this is the podcast where we speak real English together.
Every single day. And I'm Tom. If you are new here, welcome. We are so happy you found us.
If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that button right now.
Don't be shy.
And if you're one of our regulars, hello again. You know what to do.
Subscribe, like, and let's get learning.
Today's topic is a good one. We're talking about how to describe your city.
Oh, I love this topic. I could talk about my city for hours.
We know, Tom. We know.
Hey, that's not fair.
Okay, let's get into it.
Actually, before we start, can I ask you all something?
Go for it.
Okay, so has anyone ever asked you to describe your hometown and your mind just went completely blank?
Oh no, why do I feel like there's a story here?
There might be a small story here.
Tell everyone in the comments, has this ever happened to you? Freezing up when someone asks about your city?
Yeah, let us know down below because something like that happened to me and it did not go well.
Okay, now I really want to hear this.
Let's just get into the conversation.
Okay, Tom, so what happened? Tell me everything.
So, last month, I was at a coffee shop and this tourist sat next to me.
Okay.
And she asked me, "So, what's your city like?"
Simple question.
You would think so, but my brain just stopped working.
What did you say?
I said, "It's a city? There are buildings?"
Tom,
I know. She looks so confused.
there are buildings. That's your description?
I panicked. I didn't know where to start.
Giggling. Did she say anything?
She just said, "Oh, okay," and went back to her coffee.
I'm sorry, that's just too funny.
It's not funny, Lily. It was humiliating.
Okay, but this is actually a really common problem.
Really?
Yes, a lot of English learners know a lot of words, but when someone asks a simple question, they freeze.
That's exactly what happened to me.
So today, we're going to fix that. By the end of this video, you'll be able to describe your city with confidence.
Good, because I need this lesson more than anyone.
Agreed. Okay, let's start with the grammar we need. When we describe a place, we use two main structures.
Which ones?
First, there is and there are. We use this to say what exists in a place.
Like, there is a park near my house.
Exactly. There is, for one thing. There are, for more than one thing.
There are many restaurants in my city.
Perfect. Now, the second structure is simple present tense with adjectives.
What do you mean?
We use verbs like has, is, and feels with describing words. For example, my city is busy, or my city has a beautiful river.
Okay, so instead of just saying there are buildings, I could say,
Go on, try it.
my city has tall buildings and it feels very modern.
See? Much better than last month.
Yeah, I wish I remembered that at the coffee shop.
That's why we practice. Let's move into some vocabulary now so you have the words ready.
Yes, let's do it.
Okay, first word, landmark. A landmark is a famous place or building that people recognize.
Like the Eiffel Tower?
Exactly. Every city has landmarks. Mine has an old clock tower in the center of town.
Oh, tell me about it.
It's over 100 years old. Tourists take pictures next to it every single day.
That's so cool. So, in a sentence,
The most famous landmark in my city is the old clock tower.
the most famous landmark in my city is the River Bridge.
Nice one.
I'm already doing better than last month.
Slow down, we just started. Next word, crowded. This means full of people.
Oh, I know this one. The subway in my city is always crowded in the morning.
Really? What's that like?
Everyone is pushing, nobody has personal space, and someone always steps on your foot.
Sounds rough.
One time, a man's backpack hit me in the face 3 times before we even left the station.
3 times?
3 times. I finally just moved to another spot.
Okay, so crowded means full of people, and it's usually not very comfortable.
The city center gets really crowded on weekends.
Perfect example. Next word, peaceful. This is the opposite of crowded. It means calm and quiet.
Give me an example.
There's a small park near my apartment. Early in the morning, it's completely peaceful. Just birds and quiet streets.
That sounds nice.
I go there sometimes to read or just think. It helps me relax before a busy day.
I need a peaceful place like that.
Maybe not the subway then.
Definitely not the subway.
In a sentence, my neighborhood is peaceful in the early morning.
The library near my house is always peaceful.
Great job! Next word, convenient. This means something is easy and useful. It saves you time or effort.
Oh, I actually love this word. My apartment is so convenient.
Why's that?
There's a grocery store on the corner, a bus stop right outside, and a gym 2 minutes away.
Wow, that really is convenient.
Yeah, I basically never need a car.
It's very convenient to live near the city center.
My office is convenient because it's close to my home.
Excellent, Tom. You're getting good at this.
I'm feeling more confident already.
Next word, atmosphere. This means the feeling or mood of a place.
Like how a place makes you feel?
Exactly. For example, my city has a friendly atmosphere. People smile, they say hello, it just feels warm.
My neighborhood has a really lively atmosphere. There's always music somewhere or people talking outside.
I love that. See, atmosphere is a great word because it describes a feeling, not just a fact.
The old town has a romantic atmosphere at night with all the lights.
Beautiful example.
I think I finally know how to answer that tourist now.
A little too late, but yes. Next word, vibrant. This means full of energy, color, and life.
Give me an example.
The night market in my city is so vibrant. Bright lights everywhere, music playing, food stalls on every corner.
That sounds amazing.
It really is. Even on a Tuesday night, it feels like a festival.
My city center is pretty vibrant too, especially on weekends. Street performers, colorful shops, people everywhere.
In a sentence, the old town has a vibrant nightlife.
This neighborhood feels vibrant because of all the street art.
Perfect use of the word. Next word, suburb. This means an area outside the city center, usually quieter and more residential.
Oh, I actually grew up in a suburb.
What was that like?
Very different from downtown. Lots of houses, gardens, quiet streets. You needed a car to get almost anywhere.
That sounds relaxing, actually.
It was, but honestly, sometimes it felt a little too quiet. Nothing was open after 9.
That sounds like the opposite of vibrant.
Exactly the opposite.
A lot of families choose to live in the suburbs because it's calmer.
I grew up in a suburb about 30 minutes from the city center.
Great example, Tom. Last word, skyline. This means the outline of tall buildings you see against the sky, usually from a distance.
I love this word. My city has an incredible skyline.
Tell me about it.
At sunset, all the skyscrapers turn orange and gold. Honestly, it's one of my favorite views in the world.
That sounds beautiful.
There's a bridge nearby where everyone goes just to take photos of it.
I need to see that someday.
Example, in a sentence, you can see the whole skyline from the rooftop bar.
The city skyline looks stunning at night with all the lights on.
Nice one, Lily.
Okay, let's quickly review everything we learned today.
We learned there is and there are for talking about what exists in a place.
And we learned 8 new words: landmark, crowded, peaceful, convenient, and atmosphere, vibrant, suburb, skyline.
And now if anyone asks me to describe my city, I actually have something to say.
Better than there are buildings?
Much better than that, yes.
Try describing your own city using 2 or 3 of today's words. It's the best way to remember them.
practice really does make it stick.
So now we want to hear from you.
Tell us about your city in the comment. Is it crowded, peaceful, convenient? What's the atmosphere like?
Use as many of today's words as you can. We'll be reading through the comments.
Yeah, we really do read them, so don't be shy.
We'd love to know where you're watching from and what your city's like. That's it for today's lesson, everyone.
We hope you feel more confident talking about your city now.
If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and make sure you're subscribed.
We post a brand new English lesson every single day, so there's always something new to learn.
Thank you so much for spending this time with us today.
See you in the next one.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.